Okay, so this is SONGKRAN, soy 6, I think we are. Soy 6. So it sort of hasn't started yet, won't be starting till tomorrow. There's fucking heaps of people around, there's heaps of water running. So I can guarantee I'm going to get wet for sure. Now it hasn't started yet, but tomorrow night and the night after it's going to be full on. So let's do a quick run up here and then I'm getting out of here before I get too wet. I'm already saturated. I'm going to try and get back down through to the end. That's about enough. This is madness, be glad to get out of here. Wow, fucking glad to get out of that. Oh. So I'm actually absolutely drenched at the moment, but that was pretty good fun actually. Now it hasn't even started. SONGKRAN starts actually tomorrow, but only in Bangkok, not here for another couple of days. So yeah, so I might come back down tomorrow and get a bit more waterproofed and get some better footage. You see all the boys, everyone's ready to go. See that? Already wet. Wow, that was really fun actually. But I'm drenched, so I wasn't dressed for it. We just come for a ride because we didn't think it'd be really on tonight, but it is. It's just full on. So anyway, now I've got to find Yuli. She come down to the beach just to watch sunset, and which is a nice sunset at the moment. Just check this out. Get off Auckland Street onto the beach. It's going to be a nice sunset while we're with it. Check that out. Okay, I got to find Yuli. Okay, found her. Now it's going to be a nice sunset. Check that out. So this is Pattaya City Beach. It's already just happening everywhere, even riding down the street, people are spraying us. So we're trying to get to a drier area, which is probably down here. We're lucky. Okay, it seems a little bit drier down this end. There's definitely a lot of people around, a lot more than usual. Let's check it out. So we're riding down here just about to Walking Street, so let's have a quick peek and see what's happening in there. But it's really, really busy. I don't think I've ever seen so many people around. But, alright, just coming up to Walking Street now. Doesn't look too busy in there yet, and it doesn't look too wet. So it looks like it was all back up Soi 6, Soi 7, most of it. So anyway, we're going to head back towards Jomtien, get something to eat. Might be something up here, what? No?